Welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor, Mr. Doi, and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's descriptions. Today, I will talk to you about Osaka City Central Wholesale Market. Osaka was once called the kitchen of the nation. A food center that fit this name well is Osaka City Central Wholesale Market, main market Honjo in Fukushima Ward. It is a large market that stands at the western edge of Nakanoshima, near the place where the Dojima River becomes the Aji River. It is one of the most famous markets in Osaka. Here, fresh food from all over Japan is traded. This includes fruits and vegetables, fish and seafood, and processed food like pickles and miso. In the early morning, small carts called trucks move around the busy, and the whole market is full of energy. In fact, ordinary people can also enter this market. There are many restaurants inside the market and in the buildings nearby, and tourists can use them easily. Many shops open every early in the morning. You can enjoy fresh fish that was bought that same day in a fish food bowl, in sushi, or in a large set meal, all at a low price. Some shops even serve breakfast for about 500 yen. This is a special experience that you can only have at a market. If you want to learn more about how the market works, and the free market tours is a good choice. However, you need to book it first, and tourists are held in the morning from Monday to Saturday. You can look down at the rows of ships from above and learn about the role of the market. Please note that the action has already ended, so you cannot watch it. The best time to go is in the morning when the market is full of life. Afternoon, many shops close. Many shops are also closed on Wednesday, Sunday, and public holidays, so please be careful. The nearest station, Noda, on the JR Loop line, and Tamagawa on the Osaka Metro Senichi-mile line. Both are about a 10 minutes walk away. At this market, which has supported Osaka food culture for a long time, why don't try a fresh and tasty dish? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.